Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable examiners of this final assignment examination, Mr. Mislan MPD. Good morning. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Aulia Putri. I'm from English Literature Department 6A. And this lovely morning, I would like to thank for the opportunity that has been given to me to present my final assignment with the title Personality Factor of Carrieta White in Carrie by Stephen King. Chapter 1. Introduction. There is 5 points here. Background of the study, formulation of problem, purpose of research, scope and limitation, and the last is significance of the study. First is background of study. This research is based on the character Carrieta White in Carrie by Stephen King. Carrie have a personality with a unique and distinct pattern of traits. Personality is formed due to family, environmental, and social factors. Next is formulation of problem. First, how is Carrieta White personality portrayed in Stephen King novel Carrie? Second, what are the factors that affect Carrieta White personality in Stephen King novel Carrie? And the third, how Carrieta White overcoming her personality in Stephen King novel Carrie. Next is purpose of research. First, to explain Carrieta White's personality portrayed in Stephen King novel Carrie. Second, to describe the factors that affect Carrieta White's personality in Stephen King novel Carrie. And the third, to describe the factors that affect Carrieta White's personality in Stephen King novel Carrie. Scope and limitation. This study discusses the personality of Carrieta White in Carrie novel. This study is focused on C.G. Jung's personality theory, discussing about Carrie personality and the factors which affect her personality. The concepts are limited to the term of persona, shadow, anima, and animus, and self. And the last is significance of study. Theoretical purposes, practical purposes. Theoretical purposes is this research gives a contribution in literature subject, and it can be a reference or a comparable study in field of psychoanalytical literary criticism. This study expects the readers to explore and take some information, including the novel, the step how to analyze a novel with the theory which needed from this study, and get more understanding about that. Practical purposes. The common readers are expected to understand that the personality can be formed from many factors, whether family, the environment, or the outside world. This research is also expected to show how to respect others regardless of the family background, and how bullying is dangerous to the victim or suspect, since bullying can also cause death. Next is Chapter 2 or Theoretical Framework. Carl Jung's Theory, Personality, and Review of Previous Study. First is Carl Jung's Theory of Personality. This research used personality theory by Carl Gustav Jung. According to Jung's opinion in the book Introduction to Theories of Personality, personality or psyche embraces all thought, feeling, and behavior, conscious and unconscious, to adapt with social and physical environment. The major systems are conscious ego, personal unconscious, collective unconscious, and archetype. Next is review of previous studies. There is 3 review of previous studies. The similarities with this thesis is in a theory that focus on Carl Jung theory of archetypes and the difference in the analysis. In this thesis, the researcher focused to analyze the personality of the main character and the factors of the personality. And the last is Chapter 3, Method of Research. First, research design. The method used is using a qualitative approach research. The type is descriptive method, so the data are collected from word to word, paragraph to paragraph, and sentence to sentence to get conclusion. The research contain quotation and focus on the intrinsic element. Second, source of data. The main source of this study is Stephen King novel Carrie. The data are in form of any quotes that reflect the personality of Carrieta White and the factor which affect her personality. Third, technique of data collection. First, reading the novel many times. Second, finding and selecting the data based on the statement of problems. And third, classifying the data. And the last is technique of analyzing data. First, identifying Carrieta White's personality dealing with C.G. Jung theory. Second, describing the factors that affect Carrieta White's personality. And the third, giving the best conclusion based on the analysis. The honorable examiners, I have been presented all the content of my proposal from chapter 1 until chapter 3. That's all about my presentation. Thank you very much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.